all doing well. سڵاو لە گوڵە جوانەکانی پۆلی یەک. سپاس بۆ گوڵە جوانانەی کە بەردەوامیان یاوە بەوانەکان. گوڵەکانم ئەمڕۆژ ئاشنابین بە دوو وانەی نوێ. تۆ لەگەڵمایت؟ با دەست پێ بکەین. Honey students, in this lesson we will talk about how to add tens and how to subtract tens. Yes, we have lesson 3 I add tens and lesson 4 I subtract tens. Page 177 and 179. Okay, honey students? But before that, we have a review about some numbers. What do you see, friends? Yes, we have some numbers. Yeah, can you tell me? What number is it? Good job. This number is number 9. Can you tell me? What number is it? Yes, there are 3 tens and 6 ones, so they are making number. Good job. Number 36. Can you tell me? What number is it? Yes, there are 4 tens and 7 ones. So, this number is 47. Can you tell me? What number is it? Well done. There are 8 tens and 2 ones. Yes, 8 tens, 80 plus 2, 82. So this number is 82. Can you tell me? What number is it? Yes, there are 9 tens, 9 tens, 90, and 3 ones. So 9 tens, 90, 90 plus 3, 93. Good job. We did it. Honey students, in this lesson, we will need counting on by 10. Did you remember? Counting by 10. I know you can do it. Starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. گوڵەکانم لەم وانەیەدا پێویستمان بە پێداچنەوەی بازدانی دەیە کەواتە باچی بکەین. Counting on by 10. Yes, first we have 10. Yes, did you remember this model? So, good job. It's called tens place. So, 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. گوڵەکانم یەکدەیی لە چەند ones پێک هاتبوو؟ دەست خۆش لە دەیەکی کەواتە یەکدەیی لە دەیەکی پێک هاتووە. So 1 10 that made up of 10 ones. So if we add 1 10 more, can you tell me? 10 20. Yes, we have got 20. If we add 1 10 more, yes, can you tell me how many tens place are there? Yes, 3 tens. 3 tens? Yes, 1 2 3. 3 tens? 30. Good job. Yes, if we add 1 more 10, so how many tens place are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 tens? 40. Good job. If we add, honey students, if we add 1 more 10, so how many tens place are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens? Good job. 50. Yes. Now, if we add 1 more tens, yes, 1 more tens, honey students, yes, can you count for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. Good job. 60. If we add one more 10, yes. How many tens place are there? Can you count for me? تواني بمجمريت 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. Good job. 70. If we add one more 10, honey students. Yes, one more 10. So how many tens place are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. 80. Good job. If we add one more 10, yes, one more 10. How many tens place are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. 90. If we add one more 10, so how many tens place are there? There are 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, and 10 tens. 10 tens is equal to, yes, 100. So there are 10 tens. Let's count him by 10. Say with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do this example. I add. So we have plus 40 plus 10. How to add it? So 40 means we have 4 tens. 10 means we have 1 10. So first we have 4 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. We have 4 tens. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens is 40. Plus 1 10 more. Yes, 1 10 more. How many tens place are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have got 5 tens. Yes, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 5 tens. Can you tell me? Good job. 50. So we write 50. Okay, honey students, you can do by this way. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. And 4 tens plus 1 10, yes, is 5 tens. 5 tens, 50. 5 tens is 50. Honey students, let's count back by 10. First, how many tens place do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 tens. 10 tens is 100. If we take away 1 10 of them, yes, how many tens place are left? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens is 90. Good job. Now, if we take away 1 10, yes, how many tens place are left? Can you count for me? Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens is 80. Good job. If we take away 1 10, yes, how many tens place are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens is, yes, 70. If we take away 1 10, yes, of them, how many tens place are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens is, good job, 60. If we take away 1 10 of them, yes, how many tens place are left? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens is 50. If we take away 1 10 of them, how many tens place are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens is 40. If we take away 1 10, yes, of them, also, how many tens place are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens is 30. If we take away 1 10 of them, also, how many tens place are left? 1, 2. 2 tens is 20. If we take away 1 10, yes, of them, so how many 10 is left? Yes, 1 10 is left. So 1 10 is 10. Let's count back by 10. Counting back by 10, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Honey students, let's do this example. I subtract. How to subtract 30 from 50? So 50 is 5 tens. So 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and 5 tens. 5 tens is 50. 5 tens is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we take away 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. How many tens place are left? Yes, 1, 2. So 2 tens are left. Yes, we write 2 tens. 2 tens. So when we subtracted 3 from 5, 2 tens are left. 2 tens is the difference because we have minus. So 2 tens is, yes, 20. Honey students, you can do by this way. 0 minus 0, 0, and 5 minus 3. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 3, 1, 2. So we write 2 under the tens column. So 50 minus 30 is 20. 20 is the difference because we have minus. So 2 tens are left. وڵەکانم ئێستاش کاتی هاتووە سێری کتێبەکانمان کەین. Yes, open your book, page 177, lesson 3, I add tens. Students, look at this example. Sirwan's baseball team played 20 games. They played 10 more games. How many games did they play in all? Sirwan's baseball team. واتە ناوی تیمەکەمان ناوی سیروانە. چەند یاریان کردبوو؟ 20 games. پاشان هەمان تیم yes, they played 10 more games. واتە 10 یاری تریان ئەنجامیاوە. باشە بە هەموو چەند یاریان کردووە. So 20 the number of 20 games and 10 the number of, yes, they played 10 more games. How many games did they play in all? So 20 means, yes, 2 tens, and 10 means 1 ten. Yes, 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, we write 3 tens. 1 2 tens, 20 and 1 ten. Good job. How many in all? 1 2 3 tens. So 3 tens, 30. So 20 plus 10, 30. So they played 30 games in all. Then look at these examples. So we use tens to add, then we write the numbers. Number 1, I think 30 is, yes, 30 is, yes, 1 2 3, yes, 3 tens. 30 is 3 tens, so we write 3. 30 is 3 tens. And 40 means, yes, 1 2 3 4, yes, means 4 tens. 3 plus 4, can you tell me? 3 plus 4? Yes, after 4, 5 6 7. So we have got 7 tens. 7 tens is 70. 7 tens is 70. Number 2, I think 50 means, yes, 1 2 3 4 5. 50 is 5 tens. So we write 5 in this square. And 10 means 1 ten. 10, yes, is 1 ten. So how many tens place are there? Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 tens in all. So 5 plus 1, yes, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens plus 1 ten, yes, is 6 tens. So we write 6. 5 tens plus 1 ten is 6 tens. Yes, 6 tens. Can you tell me? 6 tens is 60. Good job. So 50 plus 10 is 60. Number 3, I think 20 is 2 tens. And 70 is 7 tens. Yes, 2 tens, 1 2 plus 7 tens more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 7 tens plus 2 tens. After 7, 8 9. So we have 9 tens. Yes, we write 9 tens. Okay, honey students. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 tens. 9 tens, 90. So 20 plus 70 is 90. And number 4, I think 40 is 4 tens. So, and also we have 40. 40 is 4 tens. 4 tens plus 4 tens more. Yes, 8 tens. Good job. 8 tens is 80. 8 tens is 80. 40 plus 40 is 80. 80 is the sum because we have plus. Honey students, page 178 is homework. گوڵەکانم page 178 دەبێتە ئەرکی ماڵەوە بە هیوان بتوانیت شیکاریان بکەیت. هەر پرسیارێکیشت هەبوو بە چاوان وەڵامت ئێمەوە. ئێستاش با سەیری لەسنی 4 We have I subtract tens. Page 179. Yes, we have this example. Dana bakes 40 muffins for her class. The children ate, yes, 30 of them. How many muffins are left? Yes, so 40, the number of muffins. And 30, the number of what? When the children eat 30 of muffins. We think 40 is 4 tens and 30 is 3 tens. So first we have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens is 40. If we take away 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. So how many tens is left? Yes, 1 ten is left. 4 take away 3 tens, yes, is 1 ten. 1 ten is equal to, yes, 10. 1 ten is equal to 10. So we write 10. 40 minus 30 is 10. There are 10 muffins left. Okay, honey students? Then look at these examples. So we use 10 to subtract and then we write the missing numbers. First we have 90 minus 30. We think 90 means, yes, 9 tens and 30 is 3 tens. 9 tens take away 3 tens. Yes, first we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, 9 tens. 9 tens. If we take away 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. So how many tens place are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens are left. So we write 6 in this square. 6 tens. 6 tens, honey students, is 60. So 90 minus 30 is 60. Number 2, we have 30 minus 10, honey students. So we think 30 is 3 tens. And 10 means 1 ten. So 3 minus 1 or 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens take away 1 ten. So how many tens place are left? 1, 2. So we write 2. So 2 tens is 20. Yes, when we subtract 10 from 30 is 20. Number 3, we have 80 minus 40. We think 80 is 8 tens and 40 is 4 tens. Yes, if we have 8 tens, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 tens. 8 tens, if we take away 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tens place are left, honey students? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens are left. So we write 4 in this square. 4 tens is, yes, 40. Good job. So we write 40. 80 minus 40 is 40. Number 4, yes, we have 70 minus 20. So I think 70 is 7 tenths and 20 is 2 tenths. Yes, 7 tenths minus 2 tenths. Yes, can you tell me? Good job, 5 tenths. 5 tenths is 50. So 70 minus 20 is 50. Honey students, for homework, page 180. گوڵەکانم page 180 دەبێتە ئەرکی ماڵەوە بە هیوان بتوانیت ئەم نمونانەشی کار بکەیت. گوڵەکانم وانەی ئەمڕۆشمان بە کۆتا هات. هیوادارم بتوانیت ئەرکەکان شیکار بکەیت و سوپاسێکی زۆر بۆ گوڵە جوانانەی کە بەرداوامیان یاوبەوانەکان. سوپاس بۆ ماندووبوونتان و هەروە سوپاسێکی زۆر تایبەتم بۆ خێزانەکانتان کە هاوکارێکی باشی منن. سوپاس بۆ ئێوەی گوڵ. هیوام تەندروستێکی زۆر باشە بۆ هەمووتان. سوپاس بۆ گوێگرتنتان. کاتێکی شادتان هەبێت.